So in this video, we're going to cover another resource that you can use to learn more about using Canvas or Mastery Connect and other products that Instructure has. So remember, Instructure is the main company, and then they have products underneath those. So as you can see here, I am at Canvas Community. So if we zoom into there, I'm at community.canvaslms.com. And once I'm there, I have a choice that I can sign in, or I can just browse through here and find some answers or read guides. So I can choose read the guides, and I don't have to log in. And I can see all types of different products. So we have Canvas Learning Management System, Canvas Studio, which you do have access to. And when I choose those, then there's all kinds of resources here. And you can choose instructor. You can give, there's stuff for parents and students, and all kinds of videos and guides that you can use to learn how to use Canvas. So all kinds of information here. There's video guides. You got Canvas Basics, getting started for instructors, which would be something you would go through, and how to use Canvas. So for example, if I, even troubleshooting's here. So if I go to video guides, I can see there's student videos that you can share with students, and instructor videos if you scroll down the page, or you can just click instructor and it will take you down to the instructor page. So there's all kinds of quick videos, tutorial videos that are created by Canvas, and that way you can watch videos and they will teach you quick little things you can do. Like I went over and showed you how to do the notification settings quickly, but they will dig deeper into those notification settings. One of those things you might want to look at too is the rich content editor is used everywhere, within assignments, within a regular page, and under discussions, quizzes. You're always going to use that rich content editor. So I would highly recommend watching this video on how to use the rich content editor. And these are just short clips on how to use it. The script is included in there, and so here's some video tutorials for you. Also, if we go back, and all kinds of videos there. So if we just follow this back to Canvas and actually go to products and go to LMS, then there's guides. So the guides are a little bit different than the videos. The videos are videos, but the guides are actually where they show you how to use it. So for example, Canvas Basics, or I could go by users. So I could say Canvas features, how to use modules. What are modules? So there's things that will, if I click modules, it'll actually show you screenshots of what a module is and what modules look like. If you want to know what rubrics are, it'll show you what rubrics are and how to do those. But you might want to go back to the Canvas LMS and go back to those guides and view the guides based upon your role. So I would choose by my role as an instructor, and then again, here's the videos, but then here's the instructor guide. So if I click that one, there's all kinds of stuff. Introduction, and as you click the stuff on the left in this menu on the table of contents, it'll change on the right. So if I want to know how to use, how do I use the gradebook, so I click grades, and then I can start going through these, and these are just short pages on showing how to use a gradebook. There's the video, and then it talks about how you can set up your gradebook and other things. So it basically takes you through step by step So there's all kinds of resources just here on the community. Or you can ask the community even and ask a question. How do I add, or can I add, right? Multiple users to a course, right? So how do I add users to a course? So you can just ask questions and it will take you there and talk about user roles and then show you how you can add people to a course. Now again, your students are going to be automatically input by Infinite Campus, your SIS. So, but this would be more or less if you wanted to add a colleague or if you were teaching a professional learning course, this would, and you wanted to add other teachers to that course, so they could take that professional learning course from you, then this is where you would, how you would add people who are not students. Okay. So I go here a lot. There's a lot to be learned. If you want to sign in, you would just click the sign in and choose whichever product you want. Go to your school. So you would go look for your school's instructor and it'll have yours, and then you would log in. I'm already logged in, so it remembered that I logged in. But it'll generally say, okay, who are you? Put in your email, and then it will log you in. So that way you can actually participate in, if you go back to the community, you can actually participate in posting questions to the community, and people actually do answer on the community. It's just taking a minute for this to load. But you can post a question up and people will actually answer back. So there's all kinds of posts that you can look at, the community users blog. And so I just suggest that you kind of just look through here and you can find answers by asking others using the Canvas community. So this is a great resource.